Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert JPG to PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So open the Adobe first, then click on File, which is top left corner. Now click on Open. Now choose your JPG file, click on Open. Then you have to click on this file again and click on Save As, and then choose your download path and make sure you are downloading this PDF. Okay, make sure that in the last dot PDF 23230 and dot PDF should be there. Click on save. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.